How to use very short introductions. Very Short Introductions is a platform providing access to a collection of ebooks offering concise and original introductions to a wide range of subjects. Very Short Introductions can be accessed by going to the eResources page and clicking on the link on the V tab. Type your search term in the search box and click on the magnifying glass. Tick the box to only see content I have access to. You can modify your search by specifying where to look for your search term or by adding another search term. You can select to see just the latest edition of the book. You can choose whether to see just full books or all chapters or other formats. You can narrow the results by subject, by type, or by publication date. You can sort the results by relevance, publication date, or title. You can see the type of entry, i.e. whether it's a book, a chapter, or something else. You can see the abstract of the book or chapter. Clicking on the title gives you more details and access to the content. You can search within the book, get the citation of the book. Be aware Oxford Academic has their own style, which may differ from the citation style you're expected to use. You can share the book on social media or by email. Scroll down to see the chapters in the book and click on View Chapter to read it. You can jump to a section within the chapter or access the other chapters. You can annotate, i.e. make notes or highlight by selecting text and then choose an option from the pop-up menu. You will have to create a free account to use this feature. You can see the annotations made by clicking on Annotate. You can get the chapter citation or share the chapter to social media or email. You can see the recommended chapters or books from Oxford Academic, which you may or may not have access to. There are also links to related Very Short Introductions content. Split View displays the chapter text on one side of the screen with the option of the table of contents, or figures and tables, or related content on the other side. You can browse the content by subject, drilling down through the different subject areas. Alternatively, you can browse all content